Hello dear friends and blogger users. Welcome back to my channel and new video. In this video I will guide you about how to use ChatGPT for keyword research and title for your content to improve your rankings and target. And write 100% free Google AdSense approval unique articles with ChatGPT in 3 steps. Let's get started the video. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for AIPRM for ChatGPT extension. Just click on, then click Add to Chrome and add extension. AIPRM for ChatGPT is a Chrome extension which turns the already powerful ChatGPT into an SEO power tool. We can use for a number of things such as keyword research, article rewriting, and more. Step 1. Find a title for your blog post. Click on Title and select the topic you need for your content or article. I'm gonna use copywriting. Then scroll down, find out blog post title generator and click it. Here enter your blog topic, select language, tone and writing style. And once you generate it, you will find blog titles. Here we got many suggestion title. I choose one of them which looks unique and has the right keyword to rank on Google. Step 2. Generate the content. Copy the selected title, and go to ChatGPT. Open new chat and paste your title. It's important to note that the free version of ChatGPT can sometimes be slow and you may get logged out when there is high demand. If the texts are not grammarly or hard to understand, click to regenerate response. It will rewrite and make new article for you. To avoid those complications, consider using the premium version. We take a look at how you can do that in the next section. And also you can request friendly articles. ChatGPT is responsive all time and whatever you want, they do it for you. Make sure that the content is unique, copy all the text. In new tab, search for duplicate checker or plagiarism checker. Plagiarism checkers are software that can be used to cross-check text for duplicated content. This may include quoted material, paraphrased material, similarities in wording, etc. These tools help to ensure that writing is original and correctly cited. As you can see, my article is 100% unique and free plagiarism, no need to rewrite any paragraph. If you got some duplicate paragraph, you have to replace it. Step 3. Publish the content as a blog post on your website. Copy the content on your blog, and edit the content to make it readable. Thanks for your watching and supporting, hope you like the video. And write down your suggestion for me and next video in comment section.